Hey babes, it's your girl Destiny here, and we are doing a SHEIN like clothing haul. So I ordered a whole bunch of clothes from SHEIN and I'm going to be trying them on. And I do have on one of the first outfits right now, and I really do like this outfit. It's really cute. I might feel like green is my color because I'm looking like a bag of money. But let's get to it.
Normally I'm quick to switch up my playlist. My mind, I'll pack my bag and I'll say shit. I got what it takes to say this. I got all the plays and I played it out like this. I wanted to say this. I want us to make it. I'll trade it all for.
This is such a cute, classy two-piece set. Like, I love this set.
When it ain't working out, 'cause I don't want nobody.
If you're going golfing or you're just going to step out at a little lounge really quick, this is really cute. So this is a cute dinner shirt. I might gotta put it on, but who cares? This is so cute.
I was at a wasting time. You ain't never
I
gonna take it. Tired of hearing all your lies, but I wanna leave you lonely, so I come falling back. Hoping it won't be like that. Hoping that you'll make a change, so that I can stay. So much when it ain't working out, 'cause I don't want nobody else but you. And I used to be on my relationship.
This is so cute. I'm loving this top with the skirts. Giving very much dinner baby vibes. But it's in pink, so very cute and subtle. So if you made it to the end of the video, I love you, and I want you to rate your best outfit 1 out of 10 and which one was your favorite. And if you're new here, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, period. And I love you guys so much, and we're going
I was